At Bank Muscat, we're always creating new and innovative ways to serve our customer even better. With Bank Muscat Online, companies can now transfer salaries to its employees from the comfort of their office. No more waiting in long queues. No more trips to the branch. Saves time and increases productivity. Completely safe and secure. With our online salary transfer, managing your staff salary payment has never been easier. All you need to do is log in to your corporate online banking account, upload the file containing salary details, approve the salary transfer, and your salary transfer is done. A salary transfer requires the combination of two types of corporate users, the initiator and the approver. Let's start with the initiator to begin the process. The initiator logs into his Bank Muscat online banking corporate account. Click on File Upload from the main menu. Select Upload a file. Click on Salary Payment. Select the product type. Salary transfers can be made towards two types of account holders: Bank Muscat account holders and other bank account holders. For your convenience, Bank Muscat has prepared sample formats to prepare the salary file. Let us create a file for the salary payment process for your employees. For employees having their accounts in Bank Muscat, please click on the first option marked here for the sample file. For employees having their accounts in other banks except Bank Muscat, please click on the second option for a sample file. After the relevant Excel sheet has been downloaded and opened, the next step is to enter the details of the salary transfer. Step 1. The first row highlighted is called the header row. It should not be modified or deleted. Please ensure that the 6 titles displayed remain unchanged. Step 2. The second row highlighted is called debit row. Please ensure that DR is present in the first cell of the debit row. In the debit row, please enter the 16-digit account number from which the salary would be debited. Then, enter the name of the account here. Next, enter the total amount that will be debited for the salary transfer. The employee ID number field is optional. What is written in the remarks field will appear in the account statement. Step 3. The third row highlighted is called the credit row. Here, you can start entering the details of the salary transfer recipients. Please ensure that for all salary recipients, the first cell in the row contains the text CR. For employees having an account in Bank Muscat, please enter the 16-digit account number of the employee. For employees having an account outside of Bank Muscat, please enter the account number as provided by the other bank. Enter the name of the account holder for the employee. Enter the salary amount. Amounts with BASA could be entered with a dot. The amount 0 is not accepted. Please do not add a salary recipient to the sheet if there is no transfer of amount to a recipient. As an option, you may also enter an employee ID number. The employee ID number is meant for your company's purpose only. Whatever is written in the remark will appear in the account statement of the employee. For transfer to accounts outside Bank Muscat, you will need to enter the SWIFT code of the recipient bank. Similarly, please follow the same method for all salary recipients. It is important to note that spaces should not be used between the different accounts. To ensure all your details are entered correctly, please check the following items once again. Correct number of digits in the account number. Account number should have no spaces or hyphens. Account number should have no special characters. Debit and credit account name should not be more than 35 characters. This includes spaces between names. Debit and credit account names should only have letters and numbers. Special characters are not accepted. The debit and credit amounts should have only numbers. The amount column should always have a value entered. Step 4. Once all the above points are taken care of and followed, we will now need to save the salary sheet in Excel. To upload the file successfully to Bank Muscat Online, we will need to convert the file into a comma-delimited file. When the file is opened, click on File from the menu. Select Save As. Enter the file name of your choice. Next, in the Save As Type drop-down, select CSV. Click Save to complete the process. Your salary sheet is now ready to be uploaded into the Bank Muscat online banking system. Please note that you should only upload the CSV file that you have just made. In case you would like to edit your Excel sheet, please ensure after your edit that the file is once again saved in CSV format before uploading. After the salary sheet is prepared, please return to your online banking screen to continue. Next, enter the file description. Select the debit account. Enter the amount in Omani Rial. Select the processing date. Upload the file in the correct format. Enter your remarks, if any. Enter the number of credit records. You will receive a preview of the confirmation details. To ensure your safety and security in your transaction, enter the OTP that's generated on your token device. Click Submit once your OTP has been entered. Your request has been successfully initiated. Your request has now been sent for approval. You can view the status of the request by visiting the View Uploaded File details. You can also view the status of the file in the File Status column. Now let's look into how the request is approved by the approver to complete the transfer. Log in to your corporate account as an approver. Click on File Upload from the main menu. Next, go to Approve Uploaded Files. The approver can view the salary file uploaded by the initiator by clicking File Name. Select the respective file and click Approve. You will now receive a preview of the confirmation details. Enter the OTP generated through your device and click Submit to finish. Successfully approved. Your salary transfer request has been successfully sent for processing. You can also view the status of your file by visiting the View Uploaded File details. In the File Status column, if the status is shown to be uploaded or authorized, the initiator has an option of cancelling the request. Next, let us look at the different situations for the final step of the salary transfer process. Situation 1. Processed successfully. If this message is displayed, your file has been processed by the bank. Your account will be debited and your employees will have their salaries credited successfully. Situation 2. Processed with rejects. If this message is displayed, your file has been processed, but a few of your employees have not had their salaries credited to their account. You can view the reasons of the failed transactions by clicking Viewed Failed Transactions. Situation 3. Failed. Your transaction has not been processed successfully. Neither has your account been debited or the employee's account been credited. You can view the reasons for the failed transactions by clicking View Failed Transactions. Before reinitiating the file upload, please ensure your account has not been debited. The salary transfer process has now been completed. Salary transfer for your company with a click of a mouse. Visit us on www.bankmuscatonline.com to get started.